Hi everybody, this is the Math 20-1 Radicals and Absolute Values review. This is question 20E. Similar to the questions previous to it, except for the fact that there's a coefficient out front. Okay, the 2 here. Now, I would encourage you when you're approaching a question like this to be really strict about bed mass. Okay, we're going to do the brackets, the exponent first before we do this multiplication. So we're going to treat this as 2 times root 15 minus 3 root 5 times root 15 minus 3 root 5. Now there are other things that we could do with this to make this a little bit easier per se, but if you're struggling at all with this, being really strict about the order of operations is going to make a difference here. So we're going to leave that 2 out front, and now we're going to expand this out. Root 15 times root 15 will be 15. Now root 15 times negative 3 root 5. Now there is a root 5 in the 15. There's a root 5 here. So the coefficients will be 1 times negative 3. Okay, that's fine. So it'll be negative 3. But there is a 5 that I'm going to pull out of that. So I'm going to pull out a negative 15 root. And when I do that, when I pulled out a root 5 out of the 15, but I'm still going to be stuck with a root 3 that's left over. Okay? Then I move on to this next one. Negative 3 root 5 times root 15. Well, it's going to be the exact same thing. Okay? And then negative 3 root 5 times negative 3 root 5. Okay, first of all, it's going to be positive. 3 times 3 is 9 when I multiply the coefficients together. But then root 5 times root 5 is 5. 9 times 5, 45. So, still have that 2 out front here. Let's just simplify this a little bit. 15 plus 45 will be 60. Minus 15, so minus 30 root 3. And multiplying that 2 now through, we'll get 120 minus 60 root 3. And that's the answer that they're hunting for.